everyone, I'm here with a quick unboxing video of some items for t-shirt making. I will be posting later this week some videos showing you how I use these new items. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, here with a quick open box video. I ordered these a couple of days ago from Amazon, and these are just items that I find myself I need to create t-shirts, and I'll be using these with my Cricut, along with my Cricut machine. Okay, so I'm so excited about it, and I wanted to share with you what I ordered and what I will be using each of the things for. All right, so let me get these two things out, and the last one I will leave for the end of the video because this is my most exciting part. Okay, all right, I have my iPad here so I can tell you exactly how much I paid for everything. Let's start with this one. This is transfer paper for dark fabrics, and the brand is HGV Ront, and I've used their vinyls, and the vinyls are pretty good vinyls, and the price is also on point. So these are sheets. This is, I believe, a set of 20 sheets, yes, and you will use this with your regular printer. You will print your design on one of these sheets on your inkjet printer, and then you will iron it onto your t-shirt. So I'll be doing videos for this one. That's what that's for. Also, for the same purpose, this is a set of rulers that I ordered to help me when I'm making t-shirts. And it came with a few things. This is a set of 5 pieces, 5 rulers, and it has one for every size. What these are for is basically you would put use this on this area of the shirt, like the neck area, and put it right on the center, so it'll help you to align all your prints, your decorations on your shirts, on your t-shirts. It's a really cool thing to have because I was using just a regular ruler and sometimes that didn't work right. This one has measurements for top and bottom, and also horizontal and vertical, you know. So that's what that's for. And it came with a set of 5. Like I said, this is the infant one. It has a youth one, so bigger, for all sizes of t-shirts. It has an adult size, and a toddler. That is so cool. And also the 2X and 6XL. So these are made of PVC piping, so it's very flexible, and it has, I just noticed that it has a film that you can pull and take out. So this is what those are, set of 5. It came also with a little measuring tape, some measuring tape. So that is so cool. You can use that. Some safety pins, little wheel of safety pins. And I think this is so cool because it gave you a little cheat sheet that has all the sizing for every size that you were using. I think that's really cool. so I can keep this on my desk under my glass where I do my Cricut projects. So yeah, that's what these are. Let me put them back in the bag. Keep this organized. And let me go to my iPad and tell you pricing. All right. Let's see. For example, this set of rulers was only $7.99. What a bargain. And it says that basically it's made out of PVC, transparent. I ordered that transparent. They had also in white color. It's called T-shirt ruler, and basically it makes your aligning for your artwork a breeze. And I agree. I wish I had this long ago. So yeah, that's what these are. So $8 for these. And then for this one, let's see, where is that at? This one, it was a set of 20 sheets for $16.98. And they are 8.5 by 11. They're printable heat transfer vinyl for vivid color and durable iron-on transfer paper for dark fabric. And yeah, so these are $16.98. Now let me put all of this away and let me show you the best part that I was so excited about. These, I was super excited. I wish I had this long ago. I just wasn't sure how or if I was gonna be doing many t-shirts, but I did a couple and I really liked them and the quality is really good. So I said, okay, now I'm ready to invest on a heat press machine. So this is by the same brand. I got these at Amazon. This one was, let's see, HTV Ront also. It's a 10" by 10" because they have different sizes. This is like, I think the middle one, because they have a smaller, a 7 by 7 or something like that. So this one's a 10 by 10. So I can possibly do pillows with it, you know. All right, so this is an iron press for sublimation and HTV vinyl shirt press machine for hat, for bags, for heating transfer projects. And the color I got is light green. That seems to be my color nowadays. This was $99.99, basically $100. Explanations, let's see. Heat press 10 by 10. It has a new pressure display function, the 2022 brand new 10 by 10 heat press with more accurate pressure display, reducing HTV ironing and sublimation errors. Yeah, so let's see what else is important for me to mention. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's see if it tells me how hot does it get. I believe it goes to 400, up to 400 degrees. So anyhow, all right, so that's how much this was, $99.99. I want to knock my iPad. Let me open it. Let's open it together. Let me cut it and open this. All right, so there it is. Oh, how exciting. Okay, I guess this is, oops, it's a little canvas bag. I'm not sure if it's for me to store my first project or if it's to put the actual machine in there. Maybe that's what that's for. All right, a little canvas bag. Let me, oops, let me put it down. sounds very nicely packaged. Oh, it came with a book of instructions. Like that. That. And oh my goodness, it's so cool. All right, so there it is. How cool is that? All right, so I'm not gonna turn it on because I have nothing to show you as far as a project that you could see how it works, but I definitely will be doing some videos for this or with this. Basically what I see is the power button, the temperature button, and the time buttons, minus and plus to reduce the time and the temperature, I'm assuming. And yeah, so you would just let me show you. See, I think I saw a picture in here. So this is how you will be using that. When you order heat transfer vinyl, they usually send you a Teflon paper. I don't know if you can see underneath there, there's like a Teflon in between the HTV, the heat transfer vinyl, and the press. There is Teflon. So you usually get that when you order your HTV. You can order your heat transfer vinyl by sheets, and those are my favorite, either 12 by 10 or 12 by 12. Those are my favorite because the rolls, you can also get them by roll, but the rolls, I feel like they're a little bit of a pain. You have to straighten it into your mat when you're using it for your Cricut. If you're not familiar with what a Cricut is, because I'm sitting here talking about it, take a look at my previous videos. I have a couple different projects. I just started my channel and I have a couple videos where I talk extensively about what these are, the Cricut machines. But anyhow, it says in here, for example, that this goes up to 400 degrees, from 70 to 400. So every HTV vinyl that you would buy has their own temperature, instructions, and also their timing. It could be anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds that you would have to hold the press machine on, and you know, whatever degree is a desirable degrees that you would run this. So this company, like I said, also sells HTV vinyl, and they have different series. Like this one is the glitter one, pastel colors, fluorescent colors, just any deep colors and light colors. This is my most favorite order. I usually like to order the white and black because I use that a lot. But they have, even for holidays, different type of HTVs. So yeah, these are the different colors that these machines come. So check them out. Good company. So this one has Teflon here, and it also comes with a little stand so you can place it on, you know, retains the heat, I guess. So yeah, this is all I've got for you today, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and stay tuned for the future videos that I will be having where I will utilize this new heat press machine. Okay, so thank you for watching.